Multiplication. Multiplication of a 1-digit number by a 3-digit number. Let's look at an example. 3 times 122. It's the same as saying 3 lots of 122. We can add these together. If we do it in our columns, in the ones column 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6, then the tens 6, and then the hundreds 3. So 3 lots of 122 equals 366. It's the same as 3 times 122 is 366, but it might take too long to use addition, so we use short multiplication. In our columns, start with the ones, 3 times 2 is 6, then the next number, 3 times 2 is 6 again, and finally to the hundreds, 3 times 1 is 3. So we end up with the same number, 366. Let's look at how short multiplication works. 3 times 231. 231 is the same as 200 plus 30 plus 1. We can multiply each of these by 3. So 200 times 3, 3 times 0 is 0, 3 times 0 is 0, and 3 times 2 is 6. Then to the 30. 3 times 0 is 0, 3 times 3 is 9, and then to the units, 3 times 1 is 3. Now we need to add all of these together. So 600 plus 90 plus 3 is 693. Some multiplication requires us to carry over. 6 times 384. In our columns, 384 times 6. 6 times 4 is 24. So we write the 4 and carry 2 forward. Then 6 times 8 is 48, plus the 2 carried forward is 50. We write the 0 and carry the 5. 6 times 3 is 18, plus the 5 is 23. So we write the 3 and carry the 2 into the next column, the thousands. So our answer equals 2,304. Multiplying big numbers might appear complicated, but you just need to know your times tables and go column by column. Remember, when multiplying by 1 digit, you could use repeat addition, but it might take you too long. So for larger or more complex calculations, it's better to use short multiplication. Multiplying big numbers might appear complicated, but you just need to know your times tables and go column by column.